I'll be showing you how to change the color of a texture using Pixellab. For this tutorial, I'll be using text, but this technique works with almost every kind of element. Since I'm using text, I'll have to change this to a shape. Before I can do that, I'll have to copy the text. If you want to add a specific texture to an element, you can use texture. You can change the original text by adding another element, and then hiding it in the Layers tab in the top right. From here, you'll want to merge the two elements. Now go to Erase Color. Hit the check mark and select Original Elements. Now change the color.